So for y'all who did me comment on my video this morning, I tell me, mother, me chat too much on me way. Me know by now no shame. Me know by now no shame, you know. Yeah, man. So World Dawg used to be blamed for him friend death. So all this internet badness to real life show the differences and the comparisons between real life badness and internet TikTok badness. So me will give on a down low, a wagwan. You understand, I chat too much. But information out there, I know the information long before it reach on YouTube. So I give on the down low. So after the badness start, them World Dawg make Wednesday, Thursday, while them there at Jamaica. And him go up back to Florida. Him go one party where Connie Claude there. And him go see the youth who owe him the money. Sinner. Yeah, man. World Dawg and about 1,000 ex-gang friend them, one bag of man. Like always. Step to Sinner. I defend him 2005. But I still don't understand. They them same rich. So 2005 about 300,000 Jamaican dollar. At least. Could he would go on with the money. If you want the money so bad, you could go to the police and make the man pay your money. But instead now one life. Half a face and dating in a state like Florida. But everybody I'm gonna get the logic there. And moreover, for sure, say, them are not bad man, them just loud mouth and ugly. And I try to scare people and intimidate people. If you are seen a friend on turn enemy, how the fuck you threaten the man when you know where you live? How you a man when you left your family back in America and they're Jamaica threaten the man when you come back? And your family. They're in harm's way, the man them know where you live. And them little man who dey on TikTok are enable for going like bad man. Who know I cuss me for suck my mother, I die with them. With them this and drag in the dirt. I tell me for suck my mother. You know, he for sure say, you know, World Dawg a idiot. Big, loud mouth, dunce idiot. The man them where he say I'm enemy with my body up now. Who was him friends? Them know where him live. Or if you make war with your friend and turn enemy, the worst war if you create. Them know where you live. Them know where you sleep. Them know where you party. Them know where you can buy food. Easy target. Stupid move. So anyway, back to the party. After World Dawg, them go bad up sin on them. And the promoter have to come quell the tension in them party. The youth them go out the door. And when the World Dawg left the party, be a can. Remember, World Dawg approached him with about 100 man. You see, when Khan start beat, every man turn Usain Bolt on Facebook here. Everybody run gone. 100 man them disappear like a magician trick. And only Joe stand the ground with him. And that's how Joe lose him life. So now me giving you the fact. World Dawg caused Joe for dead. First, him threatening the man them sinner and butter. So when he come back after him, and then him go back up, him go see the youth in a party, go approach the youth, be a badness. Youth them show him what time it is. But in them ass, call then, I got shot. Ball, you fuck. And a couple days ago, him did bad. You see, people, we support them. No fans. Enablers. Help push this man if you go on like him wicked all the while on the internet. These people, threaten people. After people be shot. But shot reach him. Call police and a ball. I got shot. Yeah, I got shot. My friend dead. Ball. The same man load up and I go on the wickedest with you. And them man that will not enable every day upon TikTok. And them man that will not want to the youth them to come watch. And come emulate and follow. If you compose like bad man and them are a bad man. And the worst case of that everything we're gonna do. You see how everything come out now? Squash good. Almost make same one, World Dog, ex-gang, fool people and fans and enablers. Almost make police could take up squash out of them place. Cause Butter, the friend Butter, did say World Dog last squash them. But the whole of you cost me about. It up on the internet. The whole of you know. So that Butter do. Them implicate squash. Almost you get locked up. So you see it all come to clearance now. So police have to look for squash. Squash, big up yourself, my G6. Just love our message. Reach it for reach. So, BG, I say next thing to you too. Couple informer in your camp here. Watch your circle. Don't trust them on your circle. Your squash. Remember, you see them get locked up and them get let out so easy. Watch them. They probably work for the feds. So just chat carefully, my G. Just chat carefully. As we say, just left Florida, brother. You continue your music, you go on good. Look at the waste man them from around, my G. So, for the ex-gang people, we have send sympathy and beg prayers. We still look at beg prayers. We still look at beg prayers now for World Dog. World Dog call this down upon himself and the cause of youth life. So I don't say no. A bad mind cause it. Because I don't feel everything we say a bad mind, you know, so. A bad mind cause the shooting now. A World Dog gonna make trouble now. I never World Dog threaten people on phone. I never World Dog go in a party and bad up man with 100 man. That's the man if you shoot him up. So now I say a bad mind cause, you know. Yeah, man. I realize that Satan stop get blamed for things, you know, when things reach Jamaicans, you know. One time gone, Satan get blamed for everything, you know. Everything is to be a Satan fault, no a bad mind fault. So don't say a bad mind cause all that no. When I go up on YouTube now, man. Them publish it now, man. Whenever they want to say it first, you know. I never want to say it first. But we get the intel a long time. A World Dog go back fight with the man, them, man. And them can him up. But sorry for Joe still. Joe should have run left him too. Because him cause this for himself. And him cause Joe for dead. Because him gonna make trouble. With 100 man. Yeah, man. TikTok money sweetie. Swear so the bad. People enable you and boosting up. If you go on like on the bad, but look at it now. Call police and a ball. I got shot. Back. Dog back. Internet badness. Social media badness. Comment badness. TikTok life badness. Different from real life badness. Remember that. I hope him learn. But in fact, I don't think them Jamaicans will learn. He might come back to this country. I want to go moan and weep. So hope we enablers talk to him. We no fans, we are enablers. And that means that we don't love who we support. We don't support them. Forget. So see that. Him gonna make trouble in the people in party. And when I left the party, them gonna lay with him and call him up. The 100 man them run. Joe wasn't so lucky. Poor Joe. Poor Joe. World Dog cast him friend for dead. A World Dog fought. Yeah, man. World Dog cast Joe for dead. Because World Dog make trouble. And World Dog no bad. World Dog threaten people. World Dog no bad. A World Dog cast Joe for dead. World Dog fought. When you come cuss me now. The truth has been revealed. So when you come cuss me now. Because you no shame. You go and tell me to suck my mother again, man. Because you no shame. Hold on, shit in a plate waste people. You no shame.